Welcome to Triple Empower Agency, where we spill the tea on the digital marketing. I'm Natasha. I'm your coach for today. Today we will be branding our digital marketing flyer template. If you would like to download your template to follow along, click the link below. When you download your template, it will download as a PDF form. So it will look like this, a piece of paper with an A on it. I like to open mine up in Google Chrome. So I actually just click mine, drag, and drop. When it opens up, it will open your PDF form. So at the top, you will see a markup of the template, the link to edit the template, the link to our Facebook, our YouTube tutorials, and link to join our Facebook support group. So now we're going to edit a template. So we'll bring you up to this page in Canvas. This is the markup. It will let you know that it was designed by me. And you will go to Use Template. So now we'll bring you to the part of Canvas to where you can edit the template, and you know you can edit because it will highlight a purple box and every area that you're able to edit. So first we're going to start off by remove and add your photo. We'll hit the trash can. And anytime you have any designs that you're able to move in, out, up, and down, they will have these little white boxes in the center. Here you will enter your website. I would actually like to change my background to my branding color. So say if I would like to change the wording color, you would click on the wording, go up to the capital A, we'll say text color, click, go to the color you like. If your color is not here, but you want to add your color you actually like, if you have the hex color, the hex number for the color, you can enter here. Or say if you have a product that you want to have that specific color. Let me show you. Let me see. 1 second. Okay. So what you'll do, go here to the add page. You actually click on your photo. So we'll go back up here, click on the word, go to the A. We'll scoot up some. So we'll click on the plus sign. We'll say add a new color. And you see this drop. You can actually grab. You click on it to grab. Click on it. And as you can see this, it will grab the color you like. So say I want to use this bronze color, brownish color, and I want to add that. Now you see how I just click and then add here? See, it has the hex number. And also you don't have to do that because since it has the picture here, it actually brings the picture here, and every color that's in that picture, you can choose from here. So we're not going to use this because we don't need that. So we're going to hit this trash can at the top to delete that page. And you see how it changed the colors here. So now only thing we have to do is add our photo. So we're going to click, drag, drop. Now you see how it dropped in, but it's still cutting off the top of her head. We're going to click once, go to edit photo. We're going to go over to, actually, I just told you guys wrong. Hold on. I showed y'all something else. So we're going to click, double click, and it will bring up the photo so you can move it down Is it allowed to move sideways? You'll be able to move sideways. So we're just gonna bring her down some. So as you can see, you design your template within 3 minutes. You also can add something else here if you like. If not, you can leave it just as is. So we're gonna go to share and go to download. Now I download mine as a PNG. They do have other formats they are able to download. But say I want to go and upload this to my marketing platform that I market on. I'm gonna go to share on social media, on social. And you also can link your social media accounts here to your Canvas to make it easy. So all you would do is actually just click upload, add your descriptions and everything and upload, or you can schedule. So if you would like for us to show you how to schedule, just hit in the comments schedule and we'll get that video upload for you guys. If you would like more videos like this, just drop in the comments more and we will upload more videos for you guys. Thanks again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe.